Hi, my name is Gracie. This is for my biology subject, which I will be discussing the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the biochemical process used by plants and some bacteria to convert light energy into chemical energy. Photosynthetic organisms create carbohydrates and release oxygen when using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. There are two stages of photosynthesis. Stage 1 is the light-dependent reactions. These reactions occur in the thylakoid membranes within the chloroplast and require direct light. Stage 2 is the Calvin cycle. This cycle is also known as the light-independent reactions, and it occurs in the stroma and uses the ATP and NADH produced earlier to create sugar. The process of stage 1, light absorption, is where the photosynthetic pigments absorb light energy. Water splitting is where photosystem 2 is split so water molecules to replace the lost electrons. Next, the electron transfer chain is where the excited electrons travel down an electron transport chain. ATP synthesis is where the protons flow back into the stroma through an enzyme called ATP synthase. Lastly, the NADPH formation is where the electrons continue to photosystem 1, where they are re-energized by more light. The process of stage 2, carbon fixation, is where an enzyme combines a molecule of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere with a 5-carbon molecule called ribulose. The reduction process is where the 3 PGA molecules are converted into a 3-carbon sugar called glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate or G3P. The release of the product is where a molecule leaves the cycle to become part of a carbohydrate molecule like glucose. Lastly, regeneration is where the remaining 5 G3P molecules are rearranged into a process that requires more ATP. This regenerates the starting molecule, allowing the cycle to continue. So that's all. I hope I give you a little knowledge. Thank you and have a great day.